guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. What we're going to do today is we're going to be decorating my farmhouse hutch for a late spring. I know it's not summer or early summer, but I'm gonna call it spring, okay? Let's just call it spring. I'll probably change it up again, but I want to get out my blue transferware that I have and decorate this. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm looking forward to it so much. Okay, let's get started. Oh, and I'll show you what I've done to the top. I think it's really cute when we take a look at the end. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, and I have a stool because I'm a short little thing, is put up this gorgeous transferware that I've been collecting from that antique store. It's from Johnson Brothers, and I love that blue and white pattern, okay? And I'm just gonna set it right here. And I love how that pops against that white. I think that is so beautiful, okay? All right, I might wanna roll that over just a little. Okay, then I'm going to put this little saucer that matches it, and I can see now I have that over too much. I'm going to set that right in the center. Is that not adorable? Then I'm going to put this cup right here that matches it. Then I'm going to take this other cup and put it right here, and I just want to add some of this greenery from Hobby Lobby and just kind of like it's almost just coming around the cup a little bit. I think it softens everything and just looks so vintage farmhouse. And I changed my mind about that cup. And I'm just going to take these little DIYs that I made. I'm going to set that there because I love everything. You'll see once I show you the top why, okay? And then I'm just taking this other little one like this, and I'm going to tilt it right like this. And just put some more of that greenery, like it's just sort of cascading around everything. Love that. I might scoot that over just a little more. Liking that. Then I think I'm going to take this little bird that I hauled from Hobby Lobby, their Easter that was on sale, and I'm just going to snug it into this little area right here, maybe like that, I think. Liking that so far. Okay, then I'm going to take these other two plates and set them here. Okay, then I'm going to take this and put it right here. And then I'm going to take this cup and put it right here, and then I'm going to put this cup down here. And I might take this greenery and bring it down here. We'll see. I'm not sure. Okay, what I think I'm going to do is take this greenery from Hobby Lobby and just sort of tuck it in here. I don't know. I may move it down. I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, so since I have 5 of these, I'm going to put 3 here and 2 here. And I think that just looks very festive. Then I have another cup. So I probably will put that one there. Now I'm just going to take these little pieces and parts, and I'm just going to stick it, I think, like right in here around that little cup, just so it gives it a little bit of flair. This one, I don't know. Now I'm going to take this little churn with these little wooden spoons that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, And I'm going to set those right in this corner. Then I'm going to take this little basket. I think it was Hearth and Hand, and I picked it up a couple years ago. I think it was last year or so from Target, okay? And I'm just going to set it right here like maybe there's something in it. Okay, now comes the canisters from Hobby Lobby. And I've already changed my mind. I don't want this there. And I think I'm gonna move that down. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this and kind of just drape it around here. Kind of just gotta play with it till you get it like you want it. I think that looks really cute. I like how I did that, okay? Now, I'm going to take this right here from Hobby Lobby and just sort of stick it back in here to give it some green looking. Then I'm gonna take this other little bird from Hobby Lobby and kind of nestle it, oh, right about like that. Okay, now I'm going to take my blue willow dishes and I've stacked them and I'm just going to put them right here. I want this to look like it's like a functioning area that I go to and pull dishes from. I think it just looks so farmhouse, so French country, okay? Now I don't really want this up here. I'm going to bring it, I think maybe down here. Because I think I need a little bit of greenery. Here to tie in with the greenery up there, okay? So let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at what I've done to the top. I really love it. I have that flower market sign from Hobby Lobby, and then I just put greenery cascading down. And I have my little lamp up there from Hobby Lobby, and I have a Luminera candle in that either goes on a timer, but I'm gonna use my remote for it. But I just think that just looks so precious, like something you'd see out somewhere antiquing, all right? And then if you come right here, here's what we have. That just looks so sweet and delicate. And then here's the next shelf. And then finally this one. I could not be more pleased with how this has all turned out. Well, I absolutely love how this turned out. Like I said earlier, I like the pops, how that blue pops off of that white Farmer's Hutch. And then that greenery at the top, and then those little flowers there. It just gives it like a flower market feel, which I was going for, and I just love it. It is so simple to do, and oh, I am loving that blue and white transfer wear. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Tuesday. I'm not sure we're going to do another junk journal on Tuesday. Then Wednesday will probably be another haul. And then Friday, I may be decorating my drink station. I just love to decorate. What can I say? So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and she was conked out on the couch. Were you sleeping? Oh, she says, Mama. But here she is. She says, hello. She says, I love you. Oh, she got hiccups. Do you have hickey-me-ups? Oh, goodness. So, until next time, bye, guys.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know